You're gonna be like, Francois. Yes, Francois. Next, this is Francois. That's Francois. We are going to be performing a magic trick. Blow the hell out of Francois. Francois, what do you have to say?
I am Francois.
Good job.
I will show you what it's like to have blueberries stuck to your butt. Is it all set up? You zoom in on me. Back away, this stunt will be dangerous. Please do not try this at home or anywhere near me. Hold on, Francois must move a barrel. Cause someone's too lazy.
I am Houdini. And this is my...
Damn it, Hitler, I don't want no backstairs. You hear me? I'll beat you with my belt. Okay.
Oh.
Get ready. You ready?
Okay, here we go.
This is Francois.
No, watch.
Saying goodbye to America. Look at my body. Holy shit. I attack you with my fist of fury.
That was Francois.
I hope you like the trick. Guitar.